Magandang araw, Scorpworks Tarot, Tagalog Tarot reading po tayo, Libra. So, July 15 to 21 ang ating reading, Libra. Okay? So, sa mga kapatid nating OFW, kung nasaan man tayong lugar, sana masaya at masagana ang ating kalagayan. So, weekend ngayon, kaya meron akong weekly tarot reading. So, Libra, tingnan natin one more. Okay. Kamusta po yung week natin? Masaya at masagana. Stressful, ganun talaga. Stressful din yung week ko. Maraming, nagtatrabaho din po ako full time and working as OFW na matagal na rin. Naku, wag na natin itanong yung edad. Bata pa at young at heart. Okay. Libra, July 15 to 21. Tingnan natin. Nag-uulan sa Pilipinas ngayon rainy season, tagbaha. Nakikita ko sa news. Okay, Libra, July 15 to 21. Yeah, isa po ayaw kong kumuha. Mas gusto ko yung ibinibigay ni card. Medyo inaantok yata ang Libra. Inaantok ha. Inaantok ang baraha. Okay. Okay, isa pa. Okay. Libra. Okay. Okay, bakit naka-reverse siya? Okay, strength. Wala ka ng lakas. Wala nang lakas nga. Kaya pala yung baraha ayaw ng... hindi naman siya naka-reverse. Naka-reverse siya nung bumagsak. Okay, ayan na. Okay. Wow, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 9, 10. Okay, ending. I think, ano ba yung tinapos mo? Ay, wala nang, kanina naka-reverse siya Naka-reverse siya, so strength. Okay? Napagod na ba yung puso? Okay. Napagod na ba yung puso? From 9 to 10. Okay, and it's pareho siyang ones. Okay, it's the energy of fire. Napagod na. A new beginning. It's not something na something to worry. I think kung ano may nangyari na ito pinagdaanan na ito talagang okay, i-reset mode na. Sa amin ganon. So, kung ano man yun, mga kapatid, so, related pa sa trabaho ito, or related sa relasyon, o kung ano man yung na ito, I think I look forward, we should always look forward on that energy of more happiness. Okay? And it's not always the end of the road, like, I think this is what it is. Okay, the fire is still there. Okay, 9, 10, and you have the Ace of Wands. And what it tells me is being humble and being meek. There's nothing wrong on. I mean, it's a power. It's an energy as well to have that strength and the courage to move forward. It's not easy. Yun ang sinasabi dito. Pero, wag pang hinaan. Okay? Huwag pang hinaan. Yeah? So, I can't add anything else there. So, kung ano man iyon, Libra, mga kapatid natin, ayan you stand alone by yourself. Be proud. Sabing ganon. Despite dong pagod na yon, and you need to be true to yourself. Nasa puso mo 'yan, isang queen. You have that heart of lamb. Yeah. And it's very heroic and powerful. Okay? So, yeah, Libra, yun ang reading natin for 15th of July to the 21st. So, have a great week. See you again. Bye-bye.